So it's me Janak Palit and I received a package from Cubelillo which I ordered on 6th April. The Yuhu v2m Megaminx. And some stuff here. And then this. And finally the Cubelillo stand. I have around 7 to 8 Cubelillo stands. Yeah, and then the Megaminx. The box is actually really good. I might use it for 3 blind as a cover. Yeah. And then it looks good, so I'll just open it. I think this came out. And then the Megaminx, it looks good. What about the shades? Oh yeah, the green is really good. And then this, the pamphlet. And the Megaminx, the shades are actually really good. Green and this green. If I open this, I'll be back in a second. Yes, I've opened it. Oh, I've opened it. Okay. It's a bit slippery. Now let's do some first turns. Shades are really good. Oh, it's really fast. Wow. Okay, this is really good. I mean, compared to my Chi Mega Galaxy V1 X1 Galaxy, this is really slow and sluggish. It's really bad. Yeah, I've been using this for 4 years. I bought it in Feb 2017. Yeah. And this one is just really fast. And I might get the black pieces. I ordered it actually, but they weren't in stock, so I didn't get them. It's really good. Magnets are fine. I don't think I'll be putting the Galaxy V1 springs in this to slow it down, because I like fast tubes. Yeah. Focus, yeah. And this is really good. Yeah. Okay, it's really fast. So I might lube it with velocity too. That's the only lube I have right now, so I'll just lube it with that. I'll buy a few Cubelillo lubes too in the future. I mean, this Megaminx is really good. This is obviously going to be my main. Yeah. And right now I average around 1 minute 5 seconds on the Megaminx, and yesterday I got a PB average of 5:59.04. So at least hope to get sub 50. I think I've scrambled enough. I'll just do a solve. And the shades are really good, and I like this circular pattern too. Yeah. And how will I solve this? This is really fast. Can't even control it. I get used to it anyways. I mean, my hands are shaking right now. Oops. It's a bit hard to recognize colors with the circular ridge pattern. I think it's fine. This cube is really good. I think I know this PL. Okay, I don't. This one is one of the PPLLs. I don't know that, but it's really fast right now, so I'll just do like 50 solves or something, and hopefully I get a good average of 5-2 on this cube, this Megaminx. So yeah, I think this Megaminx is really good. Wow. And I know around 60 PLLs, so I'll just learn 90 of them, 91. Yeah, this is my main right now. Yeah, and it's also bigger in size. I think it's fine, doesn't matter, to be honest. Right now it's really fast, so I might exchange the springs. I might do it, I'm not sure. I'll do around 50 solves and then that's it, I guess. Yeah, so that's it. Think this cube is really great and you have to buy it. You should definitely buy it. If you're a beginner, intermediate or a pro, whatever, you have to buy this cube. It's really good. That's it. Yeah, bye.